Hi, it's Nick Bond from Harcourts and welcome back to another market update. We've had a very busy period over the last couple of months with the addition of 3 new staff members and the rollout of the new Harcourts logos and branding throughout the Huon Valley. We've had Melanie Thayer and Brendan Bauman join us in sales, both with the various real estate and sales and marketing experience, and Aaron Lucas join us in the reception customer service role at the front of house in our office. We've also had our state and national awards evenings over the last month, and we've had some great results in the office, with Carl Gallion finishing number 5 in the whole of Tasmania for sales for the year, Demi Gain being nominated for the Office Administrator of the Year award, and myself finishing number 9 in the state for sales. In May we've had a record month for sales in the office, which has been a big increase on any month that we've had previously, and it shows a bit of a follow on from the market in Hobart that's been a little bit more buoyant for the last 12 months, where we're just starting to see that now. So we've had multiple properties with multiple competing offers and many buyers missing out on properties and not being able to find what they want in their budget. So it's starting to be more of a balanced market, and probably even starting to look like moving towards a seller's market in the future. In the rental market, our property management team have been very busy leasing properties and adding new properties onto our rent roll. We've seen some specific cases around Huonville and Ranelagh achieving some really high rents above what we're expecting, and it's a really good sign for landlords. So if you are looking to invest, or you have a property that you're thinking about switching from another agency or looking after yourself, please give Josh or Demi in our rental department a call. There's some really positive signs out there at the moment, and returns on investment are looking better than they have done for quite a while. Now onto some market data and stats for the Huon Valley. Over the last 6 months, combining the RP data benchmarking reports, the Real Estate Institute quarterly reports, and looking at the listing portals, there seems to have been around 500 properties listed over the last 6 months in the Huon Valley area. Now, when we take out the multiplication factor of some of those properties switching between agencies and things, it's probably more like a realistic 350 properties have come into the marketplace. Now when we look at that, 220 of those have sold, and out of that our office has been the highest selling office in the Huon Valley for the last 4 quarters in a row by looking at those numbers, with over a quarter of those sales. So well done to our team. That's a great effort. That's the first year that we can say that we've outranked the competition on those numbers. Now onto some negative stats. Unfortunately, the days on market time are still quite long in the Huon Valley. Looking at the average, properties that are on market are getting up around the 10 or 11 months that the average has been, and the sold properties, it's quite a large discrepancy. Most of those have sold within around the 4 to 5 months in our office, where the market average is up around the 6 to 7 months. So it's certainly something that still is a lot longer than the inner city markets in Tasmania. There's quite a discrepancy, and a lot of that is around marketing and pricing of the properties at the moment. So if you want to know any more about that, talk to one of our sales team, and we can go into some more details around the days on market and ways that we might be able to get you sold in a shorter period of time, like a lot of the other properties that have sold within the last month, or versus being one of the properties that is taking longer to sell. Well, thanks for tuning in. Keep an eye on our YouTube channel for more videos that are coming out, and please, if you've got any questions for anything, please give me or one of the team a call, and we'll see you next time.